So here we will be applying the loads in the structure. So we will be considering the dead load, live load and floor load. For that we need to define the load patterns, and first we'll select the live load here, live load, and the type of the load is live, and add new load patterns. Alright, now the dead load is already added. Now the floor load, FL, and the type, let's do it roof live. Okay, now add new load patterns and click on OK. So these are the loads that we are going to consider. So now go to assign and join loads and forces. What are the forces for these loads? So for the dead load, let's consider all of these. Wait, first select the whole thing, clicking Ctrl A, and then go to the frames. For the dead loads, the forces, let's assume all those as 1. The coordinates system must be global, and add to existing loads, click on that, and click on apply and OK. So now the loads has been applied, so it's the self weight of the structure. uh, as you can see, the self weight has been applied. So now we need to calculate the other things. So the values of the members, let's multiply it, and 25 the unit weight of the concrete, so it's 2.25. so we'll use this 2.25 on our next live load. So go to select and properties, frame, and first beam. So select close. So we have selected the whole beam sections. So now we'll go to the gravity. So gravitational load is along the y-axis only, so we'll change the y-axis. So we'll assume it as 2.23 and click on apply and OK. So the gravitational load is already applied here. So now calculate the 0.4 into 0.4 and the unit weight of the concrete 25. So it's 4. So we will use this 4 for the next load case. We'll select the column section here. We'll select the column here. Click on select. So the whole columns in the structure has been selected. So click on close. Now we'll assign the forces. So yeah, distributed force. So in this case we'll just change it to 4 kilonewton per meter and click on add to existing loads, click on apply and OK. So the force has been added. Now 0.125 into 3.125. We'll use this value for our next load sections. So go to the area section. For the slabs, slab 1 to 5, we'll select the slabs and apply the loads. We have to go to the area loads and uniform shell where the slabs. So now we have to change the value of load to 3.125 kilonewton per meter square and add to existing loads. Click on apply and OK. So uh, go to select button and properties. Go to the area section, slab. Select the whole slab section and then assign. Go to the uniform shell again, and here we will be applying the live load. So make sure you have checked the add to existing loads option, and I will change the load to 3.5 and click on apply and OK. And go to the select option again. Okay, so now we can go to the previous section with this shortcut and then go to area. The slabs have been selected again, so we'll go to uniform shell and the floor load will apply. Now the load will be changed from 3.5 to 1.5 and click on apply and OK. So we'll go to the ground floor here and select the whole section. We'll go to the joint and restraints. We'll use the joint as in joint and click on apply and OK. So that's it.